Hi there, and welcome to episode 17 of Got a Minute. Dandelion stems, daisy, and devil's paintbrush in this maker's art. Enjoy.
Hello, my name is Ralph Simpson. I'm a proud Canadian artist living in Fredericton, New Brunswick, and I'm a maker. Inspired by nature, I make baskets and sculpture from wood and plant fiber that I collect in the fields and forests surrounding my home. I have a deep interest in the natural world and an innate curiosity in seeds. I think it's because they carry the protected genetic information that will help the plants to survive and to evolve. My investigations inspire me to make baskets and sculptures, weaving the plant fiber in innovative ways to create forms such as acorns, cones, capsules, and pods. 3 words I value in my practice are curiosity, investigation, and innovation. Thank you.